Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about faces, edges and vertices of solid figure. Students, as we know that solid figures are made up of polygons. So for understanding faces, edges and vertices, we will understand this topic with the help of an example of cuboid. So students, I have this box. It is cuboidal in shapes, as you can see here. So as we discussed earlier that all the solid shapes are made up of polygons, so its faces are the polygonal region by which it made. So this box is made up of rectangles, so it is its first face, its opposite sides its second face, here is its third face, it is also rectangle in shape, its opposite sides is its fourth face, here its fifth face, and its opposite sides is its sixth face. Where two faces meet, they form a line segment. This line segment is known as edges. As you can see here that where this face, first face and this face intersect each other, here a line segment is formed and this line segment is known as edge. So in this way, in this box here are 12 line segment. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. Where two line segments intersect each other, their vertices are formed. So here is the first line segment and the second line segment and third line segment intersect each other, so it is its vertex. So in this way, in this box have 8 vertices: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now move to the third exercise of chapter 10th. First question is, can a polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles, 4 triangles, a square and 4 triangles? So answer of first question is no, because polyhedron must have edges meeting at vertices which are points, and it is not possible with 3 triangles. Second part is 4 triangle, so it is possible because all the edges are meeting at the vertices. Third part, a square and 4 triangles, so it is also possible. As you can see in this diagram that it has 1 square and 4 triangles. Move to the second question. Second question is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? So its solution is yes, it is possible if the number of faces is greater than or equal to 4, and its example are pyramid which has 4 faces. Next question is, which are prism among the following? So here is unsharpened pencil and a box are prism, and nail and a table weight is not a prism. Question number 4 is, how are prism and cylinder alike? Second part of fourth question is, how are pyramids and cones alike? So, solution of first question is, if the number of the side in a prism is increased to a certain extent, then the prism will take the shape of a cylinder. As we are going to increase side of prism, it will take a shape of cylinder. And next question is, how are the pyramids and cones alike? If the number of sides of the pyramid is increased to same extent, then the pyramid become a cone. Here is a pyramid with a square base. So if we increase side of its base, it become a cone. Next question is a square prism same as a cube? So every square prism cannot be a cube, it might be a cuboid also. Next question is, verify Euler's formula for the solid. And first we have to know about Euler's formula. So according to Euler's formula, sum of the faces and vertices and subtraction of edges is equal to 2. For verify this formula, first we have to count faces, vertices and edges of any given solid. So as you can, in the first solid, it has 7 faces, 15 sides and 10 vertices. After applying all the values in this formula, we have left side and right sides are equal. So here formula is verified. In this way you can solve its second part. Next question is, using Euler's formula, find the unknown values. So this question can be also solved by the same method by which we had solved question number 6. Next question is, can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? So given faces are 10, edges are 20 and vertices are 15. So can it make a polyhedron or not? For find this, we have to verify Euler formula. If the Euler formula verified, then it can a polyhedron, otherwise it cannot be a polyhedron. So after putting all the values, we have left side and right side are with different values. So a polyhedron do not have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices. Thank you.